everyone. Today once more I am here to tell you something about photography. So my dears, when we talk about photography, first what comes to us, that is light. Because from the very beginning I have been telling you that light is most important and only part of photography without whom we cannot exist this. Because the meaning of photography is right by the help of light. Okay? Before starting the light, I would like to tell you that when you are in some thinking, the process which is going on, thinking process, in that one you try to get positive thinking. You know, my dears, there are 1440 minutes in our hand for a day. That means we have 1440 opportunities in a day. It depends on us how we are able to utilize those opportunities. Come back to the light. As you know, light is only fact for doing photography. Suppose this is front light photography. If there's a light I have taken, if you put a light from front of your object, then you will find the maximum opportunity, maximum light, maximum good picture from this side. There are so many these kind of photographs which gives you this kind of pleasure. Now I am taking this light to one side, single side. That means suppose I have taken is this side. So find the frame this much, you will find that in this much portion, this part is totally dark. And there are so many this kind of photograph in which you will find this side is totally dark and one side is totally lighted. But when you do this kind of photography, you cannot keep your background like this as you are looking right now. It should be vacant, purely vacant. Then only the impact of this light will be able to give you the essence of this light for which you are using this light. Now coming to the next light. Next light is top light. Take this light, put it in top. You find out that if you put it in top, what is going to happen? A light which will fall this way and this way which will fall, you will find this side shadows. And the picture's atmosphere or gesture or tone will be different than any other side. The same light, if you put at the back side, okay, you cannot find the detail in front of your picture. Front side of your picture, you cannot get the details of your image. Now, if you put it from below side, what is going to happen? It will give you another look. Okay. This kind of look you can get only when you are doing photography by using different kind of light. Use this kind of different light and get different type of picture. See how it is looking. Is it? Last time also I have shown you many photographs which was this kind of with this kind of light, and in this kind of light we can do photography by using daylight or any kind of artificial light. But you know, children, that is why you will find that in the camera, in front part only, the flash light is available. So from that side you can give the light and you can get the picture. Is it? Now I am talking to you about the regarding some general requirement. You know that in photography normally people think what is there in this, what to do in this, how to do in this, isn't it? With the boom in advertising, media and fashion industry, photography has emerged as a lucrative and thrilling career option to many of Indian youths. You are studying, that's why you are not so much involved with this all news, that's why you don't know. But it is fact. Few vocations offers are there, a large variety of prospectors that does photography. Photography is divided into many, though it is divided into many streams, and each generating numerous job and jobs opportunity. Photography is actually art application and practice creating durable image by recording light, either electrically by means an image sensor. You can say this is also chemically by means of light and sensitive materials such as photographic film. In earlier stage, as we used to do the photography by using different films, different type of paper, different type of this variable papers. You know, in paper also there are various types of variety. So it's on this. These all are about basically how you would like to do. When the photographer try to do something, is not possible always to be in their favor. So what they do? They used to make it in their favor. How? By arranging the things. Until and unless you will able to understand what is the arrangement, you cannot do it. So this is the main fact, that you know first, try to do what is an arrangement, then only you will able to understand. There are so many countries along with India. You know that media is a very important part for photographer, or you can say that stage platform for the photographers is media. If you do be in media for doing this or job, it will great help to you. Try to do some good photography, but how you'll come to know what is good photography, bad photography? You click the picture again and again. You try to find out by your eye on that what is looking much better in your eye. Until unless you will be satisfied, you cannot show it others and you cannot be judged. So try to get all these things this way. Another thing is that when you are doing photography, at that time you need to understand the basic of the photography. You need to see some photographs which is available in magazine, which is available in many times in newspaper. You will find in your study book. You will find in many of the serials. When you do, composition is the main part, and you know how much light you will use. It's not depends on every time on you, but whatever availability of light is there when you are doing photography, if you use that light properly, you can get good picture. And you have the platform for you. Click of the month, click the picture, send it from your place, from your city, from your neighborhood. There are so many things happening. You try to find out half an hour in a week, you will get so many beautiful pictures. And nowadays it's very easy. Every time you have mobile with you, you put on the camera, click 2-3 photographs. You will find after some time you will have huge photograph. And I think within these 2-3, at least one photograph will be is not at all, then next day you try. Next day you will get good picture. This is not an activity only for study. It is practical activity, art of living activity. Until unless you live in this art, you cannot create, you cannot bring out. So for that, you need to do some work, do some photography, and you be the good photographer with all these